In the name of God, prayers and peace be upon the messenger of God. With you, Engineer Ali Shaban from Arkan channel. In this video, God willing, we'll talk about how to shoot the TV on the 3D Max program. This video in front of us is the result we want to achieve, God willing, with the animation for the TV. The first thing we need to do is prepare the video that we will play on the TV.
And then we move it to After Effects.
We specify the duration we want from the video. We set it to 2 minutes. We will burn the frames to see the video. Next, we will go to File and select Export, then Add to Render Queue. We're going to the Render Queue menu below and clicking on the third option and change the Tarka format to work on 3D Max. Now we will select the location where we will put this format. Then do render and wait until it finishes rendering. Now we will go to the place where the video was saved in TARGA format. We'll notice that the video is attractive. Now we're going to 3D Max and selecting the polygon of the television. Then we make it so we can get to its materials. Now we will go to our bitmap and choose the paths for the video in the new format we created so that it matches with 3D Max. After we reach the path, we will click on the first item and don't forget to check the box for the sequence below. Now, a menu will appear. We'll select the number of frames we want and click OK. We will notice that the shape of the TV has changed. We will now go to the time configuration. And we set the frames to 1000 so the footage can be transferred easily to the one we are rendering on, God willing. Now we'll burn the frame map indicator below to see our video. Now we're going to Vray and selecting Vray Scenic Supporter to prepare our animation file to enter the font. Now we will select the path to save it and don't forget to check export animation so it shows up in the render, God willing. After we exported the animation, we'll do the export and wait until the download is finished, God willing. Now we will open the font program and open our file.
We notice that the file appeared.
We'll just reduce the lighting and with that our video is finished. See you in the next video, God willing.